Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back. Well, I got a couple more RC helicopters by Skyline Toys that I'm going to show you. And the first one up is the new Spycopter. And it has a built-in camcorder. And it's pretty cool. It comes with a 1 gig memory stick that sits in the back here. And just push it in and then it pops out. And then you put it into an adapter that they give you. And you throw it in your USB port of your computer, download your videos. They also give you a cool little accessory kit in a separate package that has 2 extra blades, whole new rotor kit, buckles, you've got the bottom half, shafts, a whole whack load of parts in this little kit. And of course with the kit also comes your USB adapter. The remote's really cool. This is a 3-channel machine. The remote lights up pretty neat. 1 touch record, just boom, and then when you're done recording, hit it again, it stops and saves it. Has a built-in charger, but also with the kit you also get a USB charge cable, which I'll show you. There's the USB charge cable they give you. So, not a bad little setup, you know. And this about, I think it was about 80 or 90 bucks. And this was at the guy at the mall. Okay, he's still there, which is like really cool. So hopefully he's there long enough that I can buy one more larger scale helicopter. But we'll see. I'm getting quite a few of them now. Anyhow, the thing flies really beautiful. Video is pretty good. It's like any other camera. It is light dependent. The better the quality of the light, the better quality of the picture and the recording. It does have audio. Now the only thing I do find annoying with the audio is the sound from the motor will pretty much drown out any voices in the room. So it is kind of a little annoying. So when I do the video where I'm going to do one video where I'm flying this thing, and then I'm going to do another video using the camera on this to show you how the camera works. So anyway, stability in flight on this thing, like I said, is really great. It's got the built-in gyro, which is nice too. Helps a lot. I like the brass work they're starting to do on these balancer bars. It's really neat. Very simple, easy to use. The one thing I do find that's a little interesting to get used to is the throttle has the spring back on it. And I'm going to get used to it. I'm not going to mod it and take it out. It actually is kind of nice, and you can get used to it. Now, it does have ABC channels. It is infrared, so you are going to have some limitations there. And like I said before about these infrared units, turn your TV off, or you can get interference. You can also get interference from really bright lights. They can also interfere with the operation of the remote, and your chopper can all of a sudden fall out of the air. That's just the way infrared works, so there's nothing we can do about that one. Flight time, they say, is about 7 to 10 minutes. I've actually gotten just a little bit more out of it, and I've only flown this thing like maybe 2-3 times so far. You also get a spare back prop as well for your tail rotor. So you get a lot for your money. You're getting a really good deal. And you can still buy extra parts like blades and so on off their website, you know, complete kits, so they're not going to leave you stranded, you know. Now, we're going to go grab the next machines that I bought. Now, they are a pair. This is a pair, because I'm only going to take one to the table, but this is a pair of UH-60s. And I'm going to explain a little bit about why I bought 2 the same. Now these only cost me 20 bucks a piece. They're 3-channel, infrared again, A, B, and C channel selectable. Only built-in chargers. Okay, the remote uses 6 batteries, but built-in charger only. Just slide the plate back here and your wire comes out. These are non-functional buttons. They don't do anything. Okay. Trim control for tail spin. Now, let's get into the tail spin. This thing does not have a gyro built in. So it's not as stable as all the other helicopters by Skyline RC. So it is a little bit more challenging to fly a helicopter that does not have a gyro stabilizer. So we do have tailspin issue. Now, the reason why I bought 2 of these, okay, you'll notice on here there's only 1 balance bar buckle, okay? I don't know if you can see that very well, but it looks deceiving in the box because it's got like a mirror plate back, so I thought, hey, look, that's got 2 of them, that's cool. Nope, turns out there's only 1 on there. So anyway, I bought another one because some helicopters, I don't care who makes them, but some of them require both balancer bar buckles for everything to be totally stable. So I thought, let's try this theory, see how it works, and it didn't work. So putting on 2 buckles made no real improvement, maybe about, if anything, 1%. So we still have tailspin. Now this is something I was already told about when I bought it, that this particular model, because of no gyro, is a real bugger because you got to keep playing with your trim as you're flying. Now you got a spring-loaded throttle, which is a pain in the neck. It'd be a lot easier if it wasn't spring-loaded. Then you could just, fine-tune it, keep your throttle in one position, and then fly at the same time. So this makes it rather challenging to fly, and is going to really get your skill level going up. So as you get better and better and better, you could actually fly this thing apparently quite well. I've seen some YouTube videos of this particular helicopter, and guys have actually learned how to fly this thing quite efficiently. So this is where it gets into some nice skill level testing. So for 20 bucks, it's going to test your patience and your skill level a lot. But I am working on a way to cure the tailspin problem because of no gyro. Now, obviously, idea number 1 did not work out with adding a second buckle in. Idea 2 was I took the top end off, because there's always that flat cutout, which is where the screw, which is on the side here, locks into, so it locks this one to the shaft. Thought, okay, well maybe it's spinning on the shaft, or it's not tight properly, so I took it apart, relined it up, screwed it back in, made sure it was nice and tight, and it's definitely solid there. Bottom end is definitely solid, although I don't know how they get this bottom end in here, because there's no screw that goes through the side and locking to the shaft. Haven't figured that out yet. Give me time. So we're going to try and come up with some ideas for more stability, because it is a tailspin issue. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do. I might try altering weight on the balancer bar. Maybe put just like a piece of tape on the end of the thing on one end, and try and counteract the weight, and see if maybe that improves things. So we're going to go and we're going to try little improvements and see what we come up with, if anything at all. And if we can't, well then it is what it is, and it's fine. It's not a defect in the toy. So if you buy this and you can't fly it, don't bother taking it back. It's not the toy. It's the user. The user has to learn to deal with the toy in this case. Okay? It's challenging. So unless you're up for the challenge, like I said, don't buy it. And I'm up for challenges. I'm also up for the challenges of curing things at the same time. So this is going to be my little pet peeve project to see if I can actually cure this, or if it's going to defeat me in the end. But it is a great little RC. The quality is really good. Flight time is actually really, really nice. You actually can get a little over 10 minutes out of it per charge. Now, I prefer to charge off the USB cable, so now it doesn't come with one, it has the built-in one, and when you use built-in remote chargers, it'll weaken your batteries faster. So unless you're using really good quality batteries like Energizers or Duracells, you're better off charging off of a USB charger if you have one. Now, they don't recommend doing this. I talked to the guy about it, they don't recommend it, but this charger does fit. Okay, this is the one from my Spycopter. The same charger from my GT series helicopter also fits this helicopter. I've tried it, thought, you know what, let's see what happens. And it actually charges the helicopter, takes about half an hour, and it puts a really good, nice charge in the thing. It actually charges better. So I'm finding that with any of my helicopters that have remotes that have built-in chargers, I've tested them, against a USB charger, and you do get a better overall charge on the USB chargers. So they do actually work and perform better than charging off the batteries, and you're going to increase your battery life for your remote, because the weaker you make your batteries, the less distance you're going to have. You're going to start getting sluggier controls because your batteries are dying, So if you can use a USB charger, then fine. If not, then put up with what's in there and, go from there. But we're going to do, like I said, flight videos. I'm going to do a video with this thing flying, and then I'm going to do another video with this thing flying and recording, and show you how well it records. These ones here, I'm only going to do the one video because they're both the exact same helicopter, same bugs. I'm going to do a video and show you how well I can actually fly this just as it is. And then I'm going to start modifying it, and once I get some good solid mods that seem to cure most, if not all, of the tailspin, then I'll post a video for that, and we can continue on. So anyway, that's what I wanted to show you. So now I'm up to 6 helicopters now, so that's pretty cool, and still going. Yay! A lot of fun. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. We will see you on the next couple of videos with flying these things and doing a flying recording one on this one here. So see you later. Have a good day.